Alright, so for today's fluency, it says Carl rode his bike 9.875 miles in the morning and 12.7 miles in the afternoon. How many miles did Carl ride in all? So they're asking us, how many miles did Carl ride in all? So we want to know, I'm going to highlight that because that's our key word, how many miles he did in the morning and in the afternoon. So in order for us to solve this problem, we need to add our two numbers up. So we have to add what he wrote in the morning, and then we have to add what he wrote in the afternoon. So I'm going to start off by dragging my numbers 9.875, and then I'm going to sit here and say in the afternoon 12.7. So I put my decimal point, line it up, and then I put my 12. Now I have to put the 2 in the 10 spot. I'm sorry, in the 1 spot, and the 1 in the 10 spot. And then the 7 goes in the 10th spot underneath the 8. And then I'm going to take my line, oops, and I'm going to put it underneath. And then I am going to add. I had to send that back. You will not have to do that. Do not worry about that. And then I have to drop my decimal like it's hot. And then I'm going to look here. There's two place values that don't have numbers. So I'm going to use placeholders. And that's a placeholder of a 0 because 0s are placeholders. And I'm going to move it over so they're lined up. There we go. And then I begin to add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. I'm going to bring up the 1. 9 plus 1 plus 2 is 12. So I put my 2. And bring up my 1. And now I have 1 plus 1, which is 2. And I'm going to move that decimal point down so it stays in the line with it. And your answer is 22.575. That's how many miles Carl rode in the morning and in the afternoon.